Good morning to everyone. I am here to speak a few words about traditional science. A traditional science is a metaphysical principle and has evolved from the natural science. Example of traditional science: traditional practice, wearing gold or silver ornaments. Scientific reason: these metals have antimicrobial properties, which has helped us to prevent infection. And applying turmeric on the wound. Scientific reason: turmeric contains curcumin, which has antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties to promoting wound healing. A traditional science is a treasure trove for the Asian wisdom passed down through the generation. It is a collective and a knowledge and a practice of our forefathers. In before, when people went to temple, they put copper coins. Scientific reason: the copper coins purify the water and absorb bacteria. And in marriage, brides are applying henna. Scientific reason: henna has a cooling effect and they reduce stress. Thank you to all.